Hi there, welcome to Ann Evolving. Do you have a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear? In this video, I'm going to share a novel way for you to admire and acquire a stylish wardrobe full of clothes in your closet that you can actually wear. And I'm also going to share the secret to keep people guessing about your age based on your style. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is assess, which includes a good closet and drawer clean out. There are many reasons you may do this. All of these reasons apply to me right now. So, 1, you have either lost or gained weight. 2, you have an accumulation of pieces in your closet. You have a lot of clothes, but nothing seems to go with anything, or you walk in there and you just can't find an outfit. Number 3, the clothes may be outdated or worn looking. And number 4, you're ready to buy seasonal clothes. You're ready to transition into the new season. So that brings me to the process of how I build a closet full of clothes that I wear. The way I do this is I shop for and purchase outfits. This can be an entire outfit, or it can be pieces of clothes to make outfits out of some of the clothes I decide to keep and build outfits off of. I mean, I do buy things just to buy them because I might know I have this pair of pants and that can go with it, or I have this style that I like, or I love buying colorful sweatshirts. So I don't have to necessarily wait to purchase something like that if I do want to buy it. It's not like I'm perfect and you can't ever buy clothes off the cuff. You can. I do. What I'm saying is if you have a closet full of clothes that you can't wear, usually it's one of these reasons, and that will help you address the problem before you start shopping or buying, so that you can have clothes that you actually love and wear. Consider what you need based on what you have, but also take time to think of how you want to feel in this upcoming season or this time of your life. For me, I like clothes that make me feel happy and confident and vibrant. But depending on the season, I may want something that also makes me feel light and airy or bundled up and cozy. So no matter what the season is, I will tell you this: I don't want to look like I'm forcing pieces to work with each other, or that I don't have something that looks like an outfit that's put together. I do it, but it's not my preference. I would rather not look scrappy. And the reason I'm doing this now, the reason I'm going through my closet, because the season is changing and I've lost weight and all the things, is that I'm starting to feel a little scrappy. And when I go into my closet and I cannot find anything, it's so frustrating. I want to look forward to getting dressed. I want to look forward to the outfits that I have in there, and I want to feel a certain way in the day. Here are a couple of things to consider as we move through this process. We're going to do a few things, or I'm going to challenge you to do a few things to get to the place where you're then deciding to purchase clothing. The first thing I would say is think about a time when you saw a woman and you thought, wow, I really like her look. I like her style. She looks put together, whatever it is that you like, but it makes an impression. The other thing you can think about is when you have that picture in your mind, is it clear to you how old that woman is? Are you clear about her age? Is that what comes to mind? The other thing I want you to do is to think about a woman who you know is your age, or over 50 or 60, because you may not be 50 or 60 watching this. Think of a woman you know is over 50 or 60. I'm 59, so you can think of me if you want to. But here's the thing. Do you know that woman is 50 or 60 because of the way she dresses? Or do you know it because you know it? Meaning, are her clothes giving away her age, or do you just know her age? I would rather keep people guessing at my age because I'm taking care of myself, or I'm choosing clothes that make me feel vibrant or youthful, or might not be the usual conform that you see for women over 50. And this is not meant to be harsh, and it's not meant to be judgmental. What I'm saying is, when you do this exercise in your mind, sometimes I can tell if a woman is over 50 or 60 or what have you because of what she's wearing. And then other times I cannot tell because of what she's wearing. So that's really the gist of it. I'm not looking to put a number on someone, but there are many times when I cannot tell. I absolutely cannot tell how old someone is. In fact, I'm probably, if I really like the way someone's dressing, unless it is super obvious that she is over a certain age, I'm probably going to think she's younger. And let me also say, I think it's fine to look your age. I'm happy that I'm the age that I am. I am much more confident and much more self-assured than I ever have been. And I'm not advocating that you need to dress a certain way to look youthful. You don't have to be showy or wear things that look too young. What I'm suggesting is you do not have to be sold on the idea that you need to wear a certain style because you are a woman of a certain age. There really aren't any fashion rules. There aren't rules that you must follow. And there are no age limits. There are no confines. We are all adult women and we can do what we want. And I love that. I mean, that's the benefit of being a grown-up. You can eat what you want, you can do what you want, you can dress how you want. So please consider that as we proceed through this exercise, and know that I am here on YouTube to build women up, to encourage women to evolve into their most authentic self. So this video is not to scrutinize or judge, it's an exercise so that you can really think about the options and to challenge yourself if you would like to do that. If you find yourself admiring another woman and you like her sense of style, you can fashion yourself to things that you like about her. And you can do that to the degree that it is comfortable for you to look and feel or acquire that style. And this has been very helpful for me because I'm not the best at putting outfits together or kind of having given myself the attention to know what my style is. So I kind of rely on this method to help me find things that I like, that I know go together, that I don't have to think about when I go into my closet. The bottom line is it is never too late to be the woman you want to be, whether it's your clothes, your weight, whatever it is. So here's the process I use when I'm going through this closet rehaul, when I have nothing to wear in my closet, but it's full of clothes. First step is to do research. Take the time to get on Google or YouTube, and I'm gonna tell you what I do. If you go into your Google search bar and you type in streetwear images women over 50 or streetwear images women over 50 fashion or streetwear images Katie Holmes, Jennifer Lawrence, Jennifer Lopez, Jennifer Aniston, all the Jennifers, they have a lot of style. I like their style. You may think that it's, they're too young or they're too sexy or they're too showy or what have you, but I promise as you look through these street style images, you will find something based on whoever it is you Google, you will find something you like. Whatever it is, you're gonna find someone that you admire and just put in their street style. The reason I do that is because if you put in the search bar images women over 50, images women over 50 fashion, you get a lot of the same thing, which is kind of that blousey, bigger clothing look, drapey clothing. And I think that's fine if that's what you want to wear, but it's not new inspiration for me. I'm looking for something that gives me a new range of ideas and diverse looks. So when you start Googling these looks, you might get the images of the Jennifers, but you'll also get other women and you will find images that you really like. And like I said, you may not be able to tell if they're 50 or younger or older. When you find someone, for whatever reason, you know they're over 50, but you don't know it because of their lack of style. That's not the tell. So a couple of women that I follow on YouTube, I follow Beth Jajali. She has a channel, Style at a Certain Age. And I also follow the Style Insider, Leonie. They have really good information. And like I said, you can't necessarily tell their age because of their style. It's not a giveaway. Their clothes do not reveal their age. And that's what I'm talking about. You don't have to wear what every other woman over 50 wears because you're over 50. You can explore what makes you feel good and what you like, and you can evolve into that look if you want to. Another place you can look is on TikTok. And when I look for women over 50 or fashion over 50, I get all kinds of things. So all I'm going to tell you is that a friend of mine did recommend someone who's there. And I think she's also on Instagram, so I would just rather follow her there. But her handle is Fashion knows no age. I do believe this woman is over 50 because she mentions having a grandchild and she's been married a very long time. She's so inspiring. She is really out there and over the top with her fashion, and I love that. I love that she feels that confident. If you're able to be that or you like that kind of style, she's a wonderful resource for you because she's just adorable. I am not as over the top or out there as she is. I'm a little more reserved. But I just love watching her stuff because she is. And so she could be someone fun for you to be inspired by. That's the whole point of the research phase, is finding women who you admire. So that's the first part of this exercise, is just finding the women whose fashion you admire. And as you go through here, I want you to take screenshots of those women and just save them on your phone or on your desktop or laptop or whatever you're doing. As you go through, take a screenshot of the images that you like, of the women in the clothes that you like. So if you're shopping right now for, an outfit to wear to a wedding, or just outfits for the spring season or whatever season it is, and you do this exercise, this is the first thing you do before you go buy clothes, before you do anything to buy clothes for your closet. Now, the second thing you're going to do in this research phase is you're going to go back through these photographs and start noticing and actually writing down what it is that you like. Now's the time that you're going to admire. So the first thing, you kind of researched it. You found the things you liked. You found some street style that you like, and you have a little repository of photographs. The next thing you're going to do is you're really going to dig deeper and you're going to admire each of these photographs, and you're going to figure out what it is that you really like about it. Are you leaning toward a certain feel? Are the clothes loose? Do they look comfortable? Are they kind of trendy? Are they colorful? Are they casual? Are they dressy? Is it loungewear? Is it workwear? Is there a style you prefer? Are they preppy? Is it effortless? Is it structured? Is there texture? Is there color? Are there patterns? What is it that you're seeing? And write them down. If you want, make a note by each picture. Do this to whatever extent you want to do it. But it's important to go through and to actually admire and figure out why you admire these different photographs. Then take a minute and go through from top to bottom. Go back through, or you can do this all at once, but I tend to do this in phases. The first thing I do is kind of say, oh, I like that. And then the next thing I'll do is say, how did she style it? Which is, how is her hair? What jewelry does she have with it? What shoes is she wearing? And go back through and notice those things. What are the things you like? So the final phase here is to acquire. Now that you have the looks that you like and you've identified what it is that you like in the looks that you like, you can take the next step, which is to acquire. Here's what's useful about this next exercise. Is there a look that you've identified that you love, that you think you can replicate in a way that you feel ready to try? Identify 1 to 3 to 5. Just pick one. I'm going to pick one and I'll share it with you here. Pick that one thing and let's do this together. So in this picture, I like the pants with the top and the jean jacket. Number one, you want to figure out if you have any of these pieces. Number two, you want to figure out, do I want to replicate this exactly? Probably not. Is there something I can do to make this feel more me? So for me, I love the pants. I think they're cute. I don't have a pair like them. And I like the shirt and the jacket. So the first thing I do is to go into my closet and see, do I have these things? Do I have these pieces? I do have a skirt, but I don't have the pants. So I'm thinking, okay, I really want to try this look. So I'm making a note, I need pants to pull off this outfit. I also have the blue jean jacket, and I also have kind of a little white t-shirt. It's V-neck, but I'm okay with that. It doesn't have to be exact. So for this outfit, I'm not gonna wear those shoes, but I will probably wear it with a pair of tennis shoes or a pair of flats. So I have both of those things. So for this outfit, the only thing I really need are the pants. Once you know, here's an outfit, here's an outfit, here's an outfit. Once you have some outfits, then you can start mixing and matching. You can say, I'm gonna put this with a pair of shorts, or I'm gonna put this with a skirt, or I'm gonna do a different shirt with this pair of pants. So if you start with things that you like and you know that these are the colors that you like for the season that we're going into, you can kind of buy colors that are interchangeable. You can mix and match. And that's really great too, because then you're buying one outfit that you like, but you're also changing it. For this outfit, I also have other t-shirts, a black t-shirt, a hot pink t-shirt that could be fun with it. So you can mix and match and play around, and that's how you kind of get more looks with your pieces than just having 3 outfits. So you do this, and basically this is the exercise that you do throughout your closet. Find the pieces that you love that fit that you're keeping, you donate the rest, and with the pieces that you're keeping, you start to build outfits, either based on something you have or based on a look that you have admired and want to acquire, but making it your own look, making it something that makes you feel very authentic. As you begin to buy clothes and make outfits out of them, not only will you have this repository of outfits that you like, of women that you admire, but as you begin to get the clothes in that you're ordering, take a photograph of you in the complete outfit from head to toe. Jewelry, outfit, shoes, all the different variations of that outfit. Take a picture of it or lay them out on your bed and take a picture of them that way, like you might see on a website. And start to create albums on your phone or print out pictures that you have and have them at the ready. Whether you post them in your closet or you have them on your phone and can scroll through them when you need something to wear. And then you can even dig deeper and say, this is casual, this is for a party, this is for a dinner, what have you. But you can have different options for you ready. And then when your clothes are in the closet, you know something's there because you have organized it and planned it, and you've already done the hard work of putting those outfits together. The other thing that I do is you will often see people organize their closets by shirts or pants or skirts or colors and variations. I do this a little bit differently. I organize my closet by outfit. So if I have a pair of pants and a skirt, I'm going to put all the shirts that go with that pant or skirt, or all the pants or skirts that go with those shirts or tops together, so that when I go into the closet, I may have 3 to 6 outfits in that one little area. And then on the other side of it, I might have clothes that also complement. If I put everything in there by category, it's not as easy for me to put the outfits together. I just do it all at one time. When I open the closet, there's the outfit. And this way you have all the mix and match options or something in that vicinity that you know you can pull from, and you know it's going to look great and it's not a frustrating thing. This is how I make sure if I have pieces that they all are coming together to make an outfit. You know, using these tips, you will feel like you are becoming that woman, the woman whose clothes you love, the woman who looks confident. As you take steps to do this exercise and develop your closet, it will be full of clothes that you love, and you will feel confident one outfit at a time. I mean, you will have several outfits in your closet that make you feel confident and make you feel like you are put together. It's important that you know it is not too late to think about your fashion. It is not too late to decide how you want to feel and to give some time and attention to being your most authentic self, to portraying the woman you want to be or feel like you already are. You are absolutely worth it. And like I say, confidence never gets old. That's what I'm here for. That's why I have this channel. I am here because I myself am evolving and finding a lot of new ways to feel more confident. I would love to know if you're going to give this a try. Feel free to share pictures of your inspiration below. Feel free to point out anything that was helpful to you. I love spending time here with you and appreciate you being here with me. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.